Hello everyone, this is Disha. Welcome back to the channel Medical Disha. In this video, I will be sharing few important questions of some basic concepts of chemistry, and after these questions, I will share the formulas of equivalent masses. First question. 1 mole of calcium phosphide on reaction with excess of water gives A. 1 mole of phosphine, B. 2 mole of phosphoric acid, C. 2 mole of phosphine, and D. 1 mole of phosphorus pentoxide. The right answer is when calcium phosphide reacts with excess of water, then 2 moles of phosphine are formed. So the right answer will be C, 2 moles of phosphine. The right answer will be C, 2 moles of phosphine. You have to remember this reaction. Question 2. The total number of electrons in 18 ml of water is, density of water is 1 gram per ml. A. 6.02 into 10 power 23, B. 6.02 into 10 power 25, C. 6.02 into 10 power 24, and D. 6.02 into 18 into 10 power 23. The right answer will be C, because 18 ml of water means 18 gram of water, since the density is 1 gram per ml. 18 gram water means 1 mole of water, means Avogadro number of molecules. 1 molecule of water has 10 electrons. So 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules of water will have 6.02 into 10 power 23 into 10 electrons, and that will be 6.02 into 10 power 24 electrons. Next is third question. The molarity of a solution obtained by mixing 750 ml of 0.5 molar HCl with 250 ml of 2 molar HCl is A. 0.975 molar, B. 0.875 molar, C. 1 molar, and D. 1.75 molar. In this question, we have to use the formula M1V1 plus M2V2 equal M3V3. So the formula will be M1V1 plus M2V2 equals M3V3. Here V3 will be the total volume, that is V1 plus V2, that is 1000 ml or 1 liter, because when we add 750 ml and 250 ml, we get 1000 ml or 1 liter. And when we put the values of M1, V1, M2, V2, when we solve it, we get the answer at 0.875 molar. Question 4. Mole fraction of solute in 1 molar aqueous solution is A. 0.1770, B. 0.0177, C. 0.0344, and D. 1.7700. In this question, we are given that the molality is 1 molar aqueous solution. It means that there is 1 mole of solute in 1000 gram of water. We get this by the definition of molality. 1 molar aqueous solution means 1 mole of solute in 1000 gram water. So moles of water will be given weight of water upon molecular weight of water, 1000 by 18, 55.55. And mole fraction of solute will be number of moles of solute upon total number of moles. So when we solve it, we get the answer as 0.0177. So right answer is B. Question 5. 1 kg of seawater sample contains 6 mg of dissolved O2. The concentration of O2 in ppm is, ppm means parts per million. हमें सी वाटर में सॉल्ट की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं, O2 की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को ppm में बताना है. So we are given that 1 kg of seawater has 6 mg of dissolved O2. So 1 kg को भी हम मिलीग्राम में ही लिख लेंगे, that will be 10 power 6 milligram. वन के जी इज 10 पावर 6 मिलीग्राम. ppm के लिए गिवन पार्ट्स अपॉन टोटल पार्ट्स इंटू 10 पावर 6. तो गिवन पार्ट्स थे 6 mg, टोटल पार्ट्स 10 पावर 6 mg इंटू 10 पावर 6. दिस एंड दिस विल गो ऑफ and 6 will be the answer. So our answer is 6 ppm. Next is question 6. An organic compound contain carbon 40%, hydrogen 13.33%, nitrogen 46.67%. What will be its empirical formula? So for this we will write in a tabular form the elements carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. We will write their percentages and atomic mass, and then we will find the number of moles. For carbon 40 by 12 it's 3.33. For hydrogen 13.3 is 13.3. Nitrogen के लिए 46.67 by 14 is 3.3 again. And then we will find the simplest ratio. For this 3.33 is to be divided by itself. 13.3 is to be divided by 3.3. 3.3 again divided by itself. So we will get these simple ratios. It will be CH4N. So right answer will be CH4N. Question 7. 25 ml of 3 molar HCl are mixed with 75 ml of 4 molar HCl. The molarity of final mixture will be A 4 molar, B 3.75 molar, C 4.25 molar and D 3.50 molar. Again in this question we will use the same formula, that is M1V1 plus M2V2 equals M3V3. So I hope that you will be able to solve this question. Final volume will be 25 ml plus 75 ml, that is 100 ml. And after putting the values, volume को हम लीटर में convert कर लेंगे by dividing by 1000. After putting the values, we can easily find the value of M3 and it will be 3.75 molar. Question 8. The empirical formula and molecular mass of compound are CH2O and 180 gram respectively. What will be the molecular formula of the compound? हमें एक कंपाउंड का empirical formula और उसका molecular weight given है. We have to find the molecular formula. So for this, first we will find the empirical formula mass, that is 12 plus 2 plus 16 30 gram, because empirical formula is CH2O. तो इसका mass 30 gram है. Molecular formula mass is 180 grams. Now we will find N. N is molecular formula mass upon empirical formula mass. 180 by 30, that is 6. So molecular formula is N into empirical formula, yani 6 into CH2O. So we get C6H12O6. Right answer will be C6H12O6. Question 9. The total number of electrons present in 3.2 gram of methane are. हमें 3.2 gram of methane में total number of electrons बताने हैं. So number of moles of methane, given weight upon molecular weight 3.2 by 16, it comes to be 0.2. In one molecule of methane, 10 electrons are there, 6 electrons of carbon, 4 electrons of hydrogen, so total 10 electrons. So, in 1 mole, यानी 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules, इसमें कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे? 6.022 into 10 power 23 multiplied by 10. एक मोल में इतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, तो 0.2 मोल में कितने होंगे? वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.2 एंड आंसर विल बी A. Question 10. When 22.4 liter of hydrogen is mixed with 11.2 liter of chlorine, each at STP, then moles of HCl formed is equal to 1 mole of HCl, 2 mole HCl, 0.5 mole HCl or 1.5 mole HCl. So for this we will use the equation H2 plus Cl2 gives 2 HCl. हमें H2 22.4 लीटर गिवन है, Cl2 11.2 लीटर गिवन है, and Cl2 will be completely used in the reaction, so Cl2 is the limiting reagent for this reaction. 1 mole of Cl2 gives 2 mole HCl. Half mole of Cl2 will give 1 mole HCl. हमारे पास Cl2 11.2 लीटर है, इसका मतलब हाफ मोल Cl2 होता है, तो आंसर होगा 1 मोल HCl. Now we will discuss the formulas of equivalent masses. Equivalent mass of acid will be molecular mass upon basicity, and equivalent mass of base will be molecular mass upon acidity. For example, when we talk about sulfuric acid H2SO4, इसकी basicity 2 है because it has 2H positive, तो इसका equivalent mass होगा molecular mass of H2SO4 by 2. अगर मेरे पास एक बेस है AlOH थ्राइस, तो ये 3 OH नेगेटिव देता है, तो बेसिसिटी हुई 3, सॉरी एसिडिटी हुई 3, दिस इज रिटन रॉन्ग बाय मिस्टेक, एसिडिटी होगी 3 और इक्विवेलेंट मास होगा मॉलिक्यूलर मास अपॉन 3. Then equivalent mass of iron is formula mass upon charge of iron. For example, for the sulfate ion, the mass of sulfate ion is 96 and charge is 2. Equivalent mass will be 96 by 2, that is 48. Equivalent mass of salt is molecular mass upon total positive valency of metal. For example, salt is CaCO3. तो इसका इक्विवेलेंट मास होएगा मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ सॉल्ट अपॉन टोटल पॉजिटिव वैलेंसी. टोटल मास इसका 100 है, मेटल की वैलेंसी प्लस 2 है, तो आंसर होगा 50. नेक्स्ट इज Al2SO4 थ्राइस, इसमें टोटल मास 342 है और पॉजिटिव वैलेंसी है 2 × 3. एक एल्यूमिनियम की वैलेंसी 3 है, 2 एल्यूमिनियम की वैलेंसी 6 होएगी, सो 342 by 6 is 57. Equivalent mass of a substance is the mass which combines with 1 gram hydrogen, 8 gram oxygen or 35.5 gram chlorine. These are 3 different definitions of equivalent mass. For example, H2 plus Cl2 gives 2 HCl. इसमें H2 2 ग्राम है, Cl2 71 ग्राम है, तो जो 2 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन के साथ 71 ग्राम क्लोरीन कंबाइन कर रही है, 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन के साथ कितनी क्लोरीन कंबाइन करेगी, 35.5 ग्राम. सो दिस इज द इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ क्लोरीन, यानी मास ऑफ द सब्सटेंस विच कंबाइंस विद 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन. तो कितनी क्लोरीन 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन के साथ कंबाइन कर रही है, 35.5 ग्राम. सो इट बिकम्स इट्स इक्विवेलेंट मास. लास्ट एग्जांपल इज Mg plus O2 gives MgO. इसमें O2 का मास 32 ग्राम है और मैग्नीशियम का 48 ग्राम. तो 32 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन के साथ 48 ग्राम मैग्नीशियम कंबाइन कर रहा है. 8 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन के साथ कितना मैग्नीशियम कंबाइन करेगा, 12 ग्राम. तो ये इसका इक्विवेलेंट मास बन जाता है. सो द मास ऑफ मैग्नीशियम दैट कंबाइंस विद 8 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन, that is 12 gram, is its equivalent mass.